Hello students, welcome to E-Class at Kadaria. Topic letter writing. So there are many ways to communicate with each other. So can you tell me what there are? So nowadays most of them use mobiles. So we can call and we can message and we can email by all the new fashion technology. But there is one way of communication. So that is oldest among all. So that is the letters. So today's topic all about letter writing. So let's understand first the types of letters. So letters mainly divided into two types. First is a formal letter and the second one is informal letter. So we will see first formal letter. So formal letter written by business purposes or professional purposes, a specific object is a simple language that's simple to read or to interpret. So formal letters written to the government department or businesses. So instead of individual, known as individual. So informal letter written by personal communication, casual or emotional tones. So informal letter to your friend or close family members instead of business. So now we are already learnt formal and informal letter. So what is the difference between the formal and informal letter? So your formal letter is a letter written to your business or your college or any professional that are not considered friends or families. So informal letter is a letter you would write to your friend or your family. So formal letter written to your business purposes, a government department, or written to the government department or business instead of non-individual. So informal letter. So I will explain the steps. There are 8 steps you should follow. So next, let's understand the first format of formal letter. So formal letter must have 8 things in it. So first one, the sender's details. So our sender's name and address comes. So senders is the one who going to write. So next, date. So which is the letter as written. Suppose you are writing a letter on 7th March 2020. So you can write this way. So next is the most common format you can use. This one, receiver's detail. Receiver's detail. So here the receiver's name and address. So receiver is one who is receiving the letter and for whom the letter is written. So next step is salutation. So what is meant by salutation? The salutation is the word using beginning of the letter. So acknowledgement. The salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Usually the name is a noun. So here the followed by dear sir or dear ma'am, respected ma'am or respected sir. So you can use like this way. So next is the subject. Subject is used so that reader immediately know what the letter is about. So what is the subject? You are going to write the particular subject name. So next is the main body of the letter. So body of the letter is actual message. It shows the actual message. Next is the complementary clause. So complementary clause. So it is a way to handle a letter, actually the new general term. So we generally use your faithfully or your sincerely, so yours truly. So you can use like this. So and the last one, sender's name and signature, and you can add designation. So this is the format of formal letter. Okay, in informal letter, you can write the letter to your friends or your family members. So I will explain the steps of how to write the informal letter. So informal letter, first you should write the sender address. The sender address should be mentioned with date. So first center details or center name or address comes. Next is the date. So which the letter has written. Suppose you are writing a letter on 21st November 2020. So you can mention the date. Next is the salutation. So you can start from dear sir or dear ma'am, or you are going to write a letter to your mother. So dear mother. So you can start with salutation. So next is the body of your letter. So body of the letter, the body of the letter contain, it shows the actual message. What is the message actually you are going to write? So that is the body of the letter. And the next one is subscription. So yours lovingly, yours faithfully. So you can write the subscription like this. And the last one, sender's name. Write your name and address, and after write your signature. I hope everyone enjoyed the session. So, and you have understood the difference between the formal and informal letter. Thank you.